Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we'll show you how to remove or replace the engine cover, upper engine cover on ML320 or 430. The W163, I think it will even work for ML350. Stay with us, guys, we'll show you how to do that now. This is the engine cover that we need to remove. We're gonna do some work, so we're gonna show you how to remove that thing without breaking it, what you need to expect and what you need to check before you install it, so you know it's going to be good stuck there. Otherwise it might rattle, it might crack, it might create some noise. So stay with us, guys, please subscribe, help us grow that channel together. Okay guys, so that's the engine cover here. Now we need to remove that one, so you need to grab it on this side first, pull slightly on this side, then on the back there is nothing there. There is one more clip here, it's a rubber seal. Okay, we'll show you how to do that now. Okay, just like that. There is one more in the back. You have to be careful, very careful not to break that hose. That plastic hose, that's a vacuum hose. So now you need to pull it in an angle, okay? And careful with the mass airflow sensor here, okay? And it's gonna come like that. Always you wanna make sure that that piece right here, it's still there. You have the rubber bushings here, okay? You can see that's the one holding. There is only 3 spots holding, and sometimes those will come off, so you need to make sure they're still there. So we have one bushing here, one in the back over here, and then you have one there, and ours on the very back right here. Okay, you can see, okay, this one is good, this one there, okay, that's broken for some reason. Somebody didn't pull it apart before the right way. This one should be here to hold the holes on the bottom, okay, like that, but ours is cracked, so we're going to glue it together and it should be fine. It doesn't hold too much here, it's mostly on those 3 bushings. Alright guys, you can see how much room you have now to work on things if you need to. It's really accessible now. Let me turn the light on. You can see ignition coils, spark plugs are easier to reach that way. Intake boot on the inside there, so many things. Secondary air pump here, EGR valve. So that will be the procedure, guys. Now we're going to go install it to show you how to do that. You need to kind of like go a little bit in an angle, so you don't break that hose there. You need to make sure that it's going where it's supposed to go. Everything's lining up good. And you're going to gently tap it, okay, until it clicks. Okay, just like that. And it's right there now, guys. So that's how you remove or replace engine cover on W163, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Many more videos to come. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.